Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the gemstone CHRYSOPRASE, the stone of balance. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are a chance to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, listening to the areas of your life that it can help, and then deciding if this is a gemstone that you would like to work with some more. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of CHRYSOPRASE, then I'll link that in the eye above. You may want to pause this video and go watch the other one to hear a little bit more detail about how CHRYSOPRASE can help you in your life, but that's not required. But also a quick note that if you've been watching my videos and you really enjoy them and you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe. So there are 2 things that you will need for this guided meditation. One, if you do have a piece of CHRYSOPRASE, then now is a good time to go get that and put that by your meditation space. But a gemstone is not required to benefit from this guided meditation. If you can picture the gemstone in your mind, and if any of the prompts that I bring up during this guided meditation really feel familiar, they call to you, or they trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get this stone and work with it some more. The other thing that you will need is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or sitting directly on the ground outside. Whatever way is most comfortable for you, whichever place, as long as you can stay comfortable and alert for about 10 minutes while we go through this guided meditation. So if you have your gemstone, or you're ready to picture a lovely sea green, blue-green gemstone in your mind, then let's get started. So I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your awareness to how it feels in your body to breathe right now. How it feels for the air to go in and out of your body. How the expansion of your lungs feel. And then bringing your awareness to the rest of your physical body to notice if there are any sensations that stand out to you right now. Bring your attention up to your heart. And noticing if there are any emotions that are sitting with you today. And then checking in with your mind to notice the state of your mind. Is it busy? Is it calm? Are you distracted? We're not trying to change anything or make it any certain way. You're just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. bringing your awareness to those places in your body that are touching the chair or the floor or the ground beneath you, and remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire earth. You're sitting directly over its center, and you are completely supported by the entire mass of the earth, and you have access to all of its energy. So it will support and protect you during your guided meditation today and whenever you need it. If you have a piece of chrysoprase, then pick that up and put that in your non-dominant hand. And this is your receiving hand. It will receive the energies and your intention during this guided meditation today. And then take a minute to get to know this piece of chrysoprase, to feel its weight in your hand, to feel its surface, where it might be smooth or rough. And then take a minute to get to know your piece of chrysoprase. If you don't have a gemstone, then picture a sea green, a blue-green gemstone in your mind. Notice if you feel any differently in your heart, your body, your mind, since you've picked up the gemstone. And then imagine a beautiful flower blooming at your heart center. And it's emanating soft green light, like the leaves and the stem that support the flower. And you are surrounded by this healing green light, the energy of love. And sit with this image of chrysoprase energy for a minute. Chrysoprase is the stone of balance. And as you sit holding or imagining your gemstone, then consider the following questions and how they may or may not apply to your life right now. Would you like to invite more love into your life? Do you find it hard to express your love to others? Are you having a difficult time having compassion or understanding for someone else or for a community? Are you currently experiencing a difficult or overwhelming time and could use some hope? Is a relationship with a friend, a family member, or significant other strained because of your expectations and hope that they might change? All of these life situations and challenges are supported by chrysoprase, and they can help you work with these in your life. So if one of these stood out to you more than the others, then bring that scenario back to you, back to your heart, to your mind, to your body, and sit with that for another minute or two while you hold or imagine the gemstone. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation as you hold the stone. And then notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, your mind, since you started this guided meditation. And then release the image of the chrysoprase energy and the situation that you were sitting with, and just come back to your breathing, to your normal, relaxed breathing. And then when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me in this meditation with chrysoprase, and I hope that you found this useful. And if you did feel like chrysoprase is a gemstone that you would like to work with some more, then these guided meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks while you're thinking about that life situation that you want to support, so that you can quickly call up the supportive benefits of that gemstone as soon as you need it. And that is the essence of incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. Knowing which life situations you want support with, which gemstones will help you, and using them, sitting with the gemstones and the situation when you need it. If you are new to this channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week. I have an informational video about the gemstone on Wednesdays and a guided meditation designed specifically for that gemstone every Friday. So if you're really interested in learning how you can incorporate crystals and gemstones into your life to make real change, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.